primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification. This is not a test. At 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tornado warning has been issued, but it seems that it has sharks in it. This is a Sharknado. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no shelter is available, lie flat in your ditch. Well, you can't because there's sharks and they might bite you. To survive the sharks, just get under a basement. Stay tuned for more information. Repeating, a Sharknado warning has been issued for the following counties in Australia: New Jersey, Shelby,